Thank you. Hundreds of millions of people drink tea, but probably almost none of them understand how difficult the process is to gather and, make tea.
就是哦。
Is there something about their behavior that surprises you?
The voice.
Ah, yeah.
它有很多种声音，几十种，经常能听到的话就是一种叫羊叫声，类似于像鹰叫。
咩那种羊，就山羊的羊。
就很类似，但是不一定是完全一样。
There are very few places like this in the world, right, where so much thought has been put into conserving a species.
这个在北极茶包发汗，用爬插盘插成边角，它这个发展呢，盐不花，盐就可以光看看。
People, the ancestors are incredibly clever. If an archaeologist managed to find these, I don't think he or she would ever guess what it was for. It's like this mysterious object.
感谢你们的中国人了解我们的。
保罗先生说太感谢你了，但是这个太有价值了，就是请你留的。
People of China need to see this.
就是年轻人以后跟中国的年轻人来看看这些东西，就是特就不拿这个东西了。